In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Bristles 5 Flat in Krita. The Bristles 5 Flat brush preset is designed to simulate a traditional flat bristle paintbrush. It's a great choice for broad strokes, blocking in colors, and creating clean, painterly shapes with visible brush texture. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker, or open it manually. Search for Bristles 5 Flat and select the brush preset. For the best results, use a drawing tablet with pressure sensitivity. Light pressure creates thinner strokes, while heavier pressure produces wider strokes with more noticeable brush texture. Paint with long, steady strokes and vary your pen pressure as you work. This helps create natural-looking brush marks and gives your painting a more expressive appearance. If needed, adjust the brush size using the left and right bracket keys or the size slider. Larger brush sizes are ideal for covering large areas, while smaller sizes provide better control for adding details. Use Bristles 5 Flat when painting landscapes, portraits, concept art, or any artwork that benefits from bold, painterly brushstrokes and solid color coverage. And that's how to use Bristles 5 Flat in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.